We are now in Bolinao. Just listed a property here. Ayan. This is the front gate. And that's Jana, ang masipag na agent. And the China Sea. West Philippine Sea. Oo na. This is your backyard. Tapos, uuwi ka ng hapon from swimming. Yeah? So, dyan lang yung house mo. Dito tayo. So, this is the one. Maintain pa rin. May mga nakatira namang katulong. And here, may access ka na agad sa beach. Cheryl! Agent ng property na to.
Yung outfit natin, hindi naman pang ano. Pang beach.
We just dropped by here at a Spanish restaurant in Bolinao. Very authentic. Literally, the owner who is cooking for us is Spanish.
Oh, I prepare with a Spanish wine.
Authentic sangria. Authentic Spanish sangria.
You try?
Thank you. Sarap. Yan, sarap. Yum.
Chubidubidu-wow, panalangin ko sa habang buhay. Makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang